It's week 4 of the one-room challenge, and it finally looks like we have a kitchen starting to take shape. Hey, I'm Ashley. You might know me from the blog This Mama's Dance, where I share inspiration for the heart and home. Join me over the next 6 weeks while my husband Matt and I renovate our old farmhouse kitchen into the cottage kitchen of our dreams. First up, it was time to deal with the last of the demo.
There it goes!
My husband Matt is a boss and was true to his word in doing his best to salvage the original cabinets. They are more or less intact.
It's falling around there. Slide it. Are we going upright?
Should I move?
You just watch us, follow us.
Our house and lives are pretty much in chaos, and I've washed a few too many dishes in the bathroom sink. Full disclosure, renovations are messy, tiring, and really rewarding, but they're filled with their own series of challenges too.
Hi guys, so we've run into a little snag that's actually quite a disappointing big snag. So you can see behind me is the opening for the original window, and it's boarded up right now. Our plan was to put in two 30-inch windows and have our sink centered on those windows, and so Matt was expanding the rough opening to redo the framing. He cut in right here, missed this cast iron pipe by a hair. It's a miracle he didn't cut into that. This is 1 inch in the way of us being able to get our framing. Our framing essentially would have to run right here to support this so that we could expand the windows. So we are troubleshooting. We are now going to be probably shrinking the windows. We don't know what we're going to do right now, so stay posted, I guess.
While Matt and I tried to figure out the solution to the window dilemma, we had to keep chugging along. He picked up our Kitch doors on Friday, and we were assembling cabinets like it was our full-time job for the rest of the weekend. Opening those boxes and installing the drawers was pretty exciting. They're beautiful. Before we could officially mount the cabinets on the stove wall, we had to finish installing the pantry cabinet. The back of the cabinet felt a little flimsy, so Matt made a spacer to push everything tight using a 2x4 and some scraps. Then we got to work cladding the framing in cedar tongue and groove. We repurposed the boards from the demo. All of the boards will get painted out in a crisp, clean white. I love the way it looks already, and I'm so happy we decided to do this.
So Matt is just pulling out some nails. We ran into the pipe debacle, and so now we're taking this right back and we're gonna move the pipe. Plumbing is gonna get redone down here as well. But our old house, so you can see, this is the shiplap underneath. This is actually not in very good shape. We've uncovered shiplap in other parts of our house and it's looked amazing. But one thing that you can do if you want to use the shiplap, you take it out, take the nails out, and then you can put it rough side out. Or you can paint it, or you can clean those boards down. But this is really dirty for an interior wall. Not typical, even in our house, so who knows why this is so dirty. This shiplap is an example where the boards were in great shape. They're wider than those other boards, but we used them. We uncovered them here on this little wall, and we left it, and we stained the boards.
Matt made really quick work of rerouting the pipe, and we got the new larger windows installed. Phew! Crisis averted. All of the cabinet boxes are built, so we will finish getting them installed this week, building the last of the drawers and putting up the doors. I'm crossing my fingers that our sink will be hooked up by the weekend. counters will be in, and most of all, we just might have a built-in dishwasher for the first time in over 6 years. Speaking of counters, we went with a light oak butcher block. I talk more about our reasons for choosing them in the post linked in the description. I can't wait to get hardware on the cabinets. Then it's time to deal with the disaster of a wall around the window. I'm thinking tile, and I would love to hear your thoughts. Until next week, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Let me know if you have any questions about this project in the comments or on my blog, and I'll see you next week.